Welcome back to the channel for today's video, and today we are at Longleat Safari Park. So we have arrived. It's about 11 AM and we have our safari tour at 12. So we are going to spend a little while seeing some animals before we head back to the car for the drive around the safari. We've just started the Longleat Safari. We're off at the African village. I love this old style VW camper, and there are a lot of cars waiting to take the drive through the safari, so it could be a long day. And last time we were here, we were able to feed the giraffes, but not today it appears. I guess this may be a COVID restricted activity these days. And of course, there are always places to spend your money though. So here we are, like I said, on the African adventure, and there's giraffes and zebras and things here. A few shops, lots of cars. It's a bit fragmented, this video, because we have dodging the rain and driving and stuff, but hopefully you'll get a good idea of what it's like at Longleat. So we're going to get in the car in a minute and go around the safari park, and I'll get as many pictures and videos as I can sneak in with a window down a little bit. But you're not supposed to open your window, so we'll see what happens when we get round there. So let's go.
Good, we've just been into the shop. Max has...
Who have we got with us today? Special guest?
We've got Gran!
Special guest! And we've also got Lion Boy. So Gran, you've been wanting to take your mask off, Gran. You don't need your mask on out here.
Oh. Max convinced me to spend £1.50 in the shop to buy him a lion mask.
Okay, then come have his money, yeah?
Yeah.
How long have you wanted to come here for? Ages, haven't you?
200 years! Yeah. 200 years and she's 300 years.
40 years it's been since Gran's been here, so more than 40 years. More than 40 years since Gran's been here. It's changed a lot.
The weather's not great today.
No, it's raining.
Off, but so far we haven't got really bad.
It's raining right now, just to say.
Just spitting a little bit.
It is starting to rain. We're going to get back in the car now, and
we've been into the main square bit, and we saw the meerkats, and we saw some other bits walking around, and then we're doing the safari ride now, the safari park now, and then after that we'll go back into the main square and do the train ride and the boat ride, and see the koalas, because I'm desperate to see the koalas.
Cool, so there you go, still lots to see.
Well, I was trying to tell you,
Max is worried about
the koalas. Next time, can we go see the England Stadium? Because free lions.
So what, like
They're like kangaroos.
What are?
They're koalas. They have
Koalas are like kangaroos.
in their pouch.
Oh, do they? Oh, well, they're young.
Did you know that?
Ah, they carry their young in their pouch, apparently, says Gran Bellamy.
When it's first born, it's so tiny, they don't even know that. And they can't tell whether the koalas are expecting. There's 3 females and they don't know whether they're expecting or not. Because they don't look any bigger or hardly
I
any
see,
bigger.
so you can't tell by looking at them.
No.
There you go, join us next week for another episode of Gran Attenborough. So we can open windows in this area, the first part. So if there's any animals worth photographing, we'll have the windows open. If there isn't, then we won't.
I wonder if somebody removed may not. You know, they made a mistake.
I think we've been, how long have we been in here for? An hour, half an hour, 45 minutes?
No, yeah.
We've been in the car for 45 minutes and we've still not really seen any proper like safari animals. There's a monkey there about to get run over, look out, oh my god.
Where is it?
In front of that red car, I think.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
think-
it's alright. Can I go?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, it's gone that way.
It must be, it's impossible. We think we've just run over a monkey. No, we haven't really. But typically, just as we get through to the monkey bits where there's lots of fun monkeys to video, it's pouring with rain, so we can't shoot through the glass. We've been told not to open the windows because they may drag Max or Gran out. I think that one's holding a baby, carrying a baby.
I can shut.
Hopefully it'll stop raining in a minute. And I'm afraid we are still filming through wet windows, unfortunately. And this is exactly why we have to keep our windows closed. Welcome to the family. Open the window a bit.
No! Don't you dare! Could you?
It's licking the car.
Thank you! Thank you for cleaning our car, monkey.
So considering we are still filming through a rainy window from inside the car, the quality isn't too bad, so well done the Canon R6. Photos and videos very much ruined by the weather, unfortunately. But luck of the draw.
Right, now
we're going to the lions.
Right, now shut your door windows. Come on, everyone. And I'm locking the doors as well.
Are we allowed to get out of the car and stroke the lions? That is the question. Don't stop.
Will we survive or will we die? Da da da!
You can see the rain falling here, so I am afraid I'm going to have to cheat and show you a few photos of these majestic creatures from a previous trip. So that was the drive around the safari park done. We're going to go and see some more things around the adventure side of it now, which is the little villagey area and the shops, and there are more animals there. One tip I do have, if you are driving around the safari park and you want to take photos, easier said than done, but try and go on a good weather day, because you can't open your windows in all the ones you want to take photos of, the monkeys, the lions, the tigers, the wolves, things like that. You can't open your window and if it's raining, you just ruined photos. So I didn't get many good photos because of that. So if you can, if you have a choice, you can pick a day, and you can choose a day where maybe last minute and it's going to be a nice day. Pick that, because you will get better photos. But let's go and have a look at some other stuff now. We are heading now to Koala Creek. So that was the koalas, and we are now heading to the jungle cruise, and the rain has just started again. So it's another brilliant British summertime. And here is the start of the queue, which isn't good, but at least we get to look at this cute red panda as we got nearer the boat. And we're now sailing. Come on Max, let's go. So that was the jungle cruise, and me and Max are now taking a mad rush to try and get to the maze in time before it closes, but we may be too late because it's 20 to 6, so let's go. Okay, so we made it, but we've got to find the tower. It's really narrow, Max, isn't it? And then get out. So the tower must be a clue. So well, is this the tower we've got to find?
Yeah.
Should we go this way?
Yeah.
Because the park shuts in 20 minutes. Max, we're really lost, I think. Oh my god. Okay, come back. Right foot round, right foot. Oh, not in the putt. That's not what I meant, but okay. I know. Oh, here we go. Look, we've done it.
What, already?
Oh, no, maybe we haven't done it. Because it's gone under the tunnel. Shall we go in front? Go on then. Interesting. Where's the tower now?
I'm gonna go this way.
No, are you sure? Okay, we are super lost, so I'm going to turn this off and try and get out of this maze, because it's... Ow! We've got to get out of the park in a minute, and if we're stuck in here all night, I don't know what we'll do. Is this not the way out then? The woman said at the entrance, because we came in late, she said just aim for the tower. Isn't that what this is?
Oh gosh, look at that old maze!
quick exit. Straight down there and out. Straight down the left-hand hedge, I think, and then it comes right out by the hut again.
Ah, right, okay.
But if you get lost, it's not my fault. I have to add that. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, it would be your fault.
That was cool, Max, wasn't it?
Yeah, I really liked it. Now what should we do on Monday now?
Well, do you want to find another maze?
Yeah?
We still could find a maze because Mummy didn't do it, did she?
Yeah.
And then we can just leave Mummy in there. I'm just kidding. Right, it's this way, isn't it? No, no. Good boy for not believing me. Okay, the park shuts in 10 minutes.
We made it at last! We came in same spot about 2 times! I cannot believe it! That was like so...
The exits. We weren't in there all night after all. You made it sound so easy. Just find the tower, it's easy, just find the tower.
Some people find it really...
Oh, push. Yeah, there's a big sign there that says push. I'm not watching what I'm doing. Thank you. You too. Okay, let's find Mummy. How'd you find that, Max?
Good! We just went through a tunnel and I got lost while we were.
Okay, tea time. And there we are, the end of our trip to Longleat. I hope you enjoyed that and you got some value from seeing all the animals and what we did in our day here. Hopefully if you go, you'll have better weather. Please don't forget to like and drop a comment down below if you need to ask me any questions. The thumbs up makes a huge difference and I'll be really grateful. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.